Wanna be see Vivia. Yay! Gloria near, Gloria near, Gloria near. Yay! Ahobrasia kitchen. A Auntie Gloria betoni boise. No what church or near my hodo. It come along with her. You see a dim boom. Gloria near. Yay!
Greetings, wherever you are. I fish your panso. The radia say, Sewama adipabiachi. You, the Asada, Emma, Niakano edition inside. Yeah, welcome on Brasia Kitchen. And then you and beans pie. Yay, beans pie. Yeah, maybe I won't do beans pie that, but you better try beans pie and just like you see me. You know, match my bean. This right side, you know, for beans, you know, and I hire for pie, you know. You know, just say me beans, black eyed beans, 1 cup. And me oil, get me use oil be a coconut oil could be a one near minimum ye no, ya share ya check so and me want me 1 tomatoes na ginger ne garlic and spring onion leaves no be blended sanya my way and me want nutmeg nutmeg half for her for beans no beans with the nutmeg can one I do call different level. Okay, and I'm your baking kakra with the fry. What to make the fish fry beans and what to me with the beans no any nutmeg and very tasty. Okay, into onions to marry this side. Onion back, sorry. Now you have a hands one. You want all-purpose flour 4 cups and you want 2 cups butter inch in womb in what inch nego flour nima now I shake so butter flour salt nima then okay and you want milk or half a cup by myself me check it see they use na so na me wo egg 1 and I may baking soda half teaspoon baking powder 1.5 teaspoon and my nutmeg. My salt is here. I'll just add a pinch of salt. I can flour and then baking powder, baking soda, pinch of salt. Okay, nutmeg. Nancy, I miss Jenny saying if you are home, say not I can so crack him so not would you not want to tell him so. Okay. Now I can't enough right. See if I can't enough right. Then we add our butter. Good. You know, any they use means that clean hands no, not where you should. Because we say in a boy because I am some warm. I am melted butter no kakrantum. So instead of say very fluffy and not be some. So I team I feel so soft. Okay. Into pie we a rich pie. You be rich pie. Bring a pie. Rich already. What may use nisu to me use water, but may you use milk because men me a mede. Kakrabi, not be very to say. Okay, milk and 1 and 2. Let's say 2 tablespoons of masala. Enough, and then that's it. It's gonna be enough. Okay. Let's say maybe. Ne bango eh. Oh, that smell it good. Could be I'm gonna miss someone try you. I don't know me still na your pie no. Smell it good. We had Diana try I mentioned Jane and she didn't pay Diana in your day. That's it. Okay, tea and beans in any. Megan, maybe very fresh. Let's see if okay, they're fresh. The full one I'm frying too, maybe. Okay. You know, I can eat enough friend and that's making it. Let me see. Beans in the cooking one. I need to be there. And my papa. Now with a nutmeg in trouble, so now I'm nutmegging it. Beans in so much. So you can imagine this feeling here. Yeah, Diana by itself. And koi yeah. Okay. Let's taste it. Pie na muy full and heady. And I'm shim. It's gonna shim. Now bite here now we'll say yes. Intentional helping on the city. Yep. It's here, Nini. cut away be trouble. Yeah, she.
Ahobrasia kitchen. Ɛhɔ na Auntie Gloria bɛtɔ ne bo ase. Na wakyerɛkyerɛ nneɛma ahodoɔ ahodoɔ. Nti come along with her. Na yɛnsu ade nkuro. Gloria deɛ.
A little bit more there and here and there. Okay. Now we cover it with this one. Maybe milk kakra. That's your friend. I'm not making yummy, you see. This is a yam pie nini. Yanya style biabi. Ghana old style. No. Start to meat pie nini. I okay, see a pepper she. And here you see I'm forking. I say bake and a bake fine. You pan it to me up. Ah, okay. Coffee, the egg and milk washing. The cost of venue, base 75. There she said, "I soon you crack it." I see. Not she inside and ooh, bitey.